Morning, another beautifully sunny day. So I thought I'd talk about the sun cream that I use on my face, okay? Pretty much all foundations have SPF in now. Yeah, there's not many that haven't. So I'm covered there, okay? So if I put foundation on, I'm covered because I've got SPF on. But if I'm literally, sunbathing and I'm not wearing foundation, then there's three that I normally use. And it's only because I've come across these ones and I really like them. I'm open to any other suggestions, please. But I really like sun creams that have got tinted, that are tinted, basically, so that I look bad enough on the beach as it is, okay? When my hair gets wet, it's an absolute nightmare because I'm so curly. So already I'm a frizz ball, okay? Then you slap the old sun cream on or the oil or whatever and you just look terrible. So any help that I can get when I'm on the beach is a bonus. So that's why I like tinted ones. So at least you look a little bit smooth complexion, And yeah, I may also put on a little bit of blush on the cheeks because I love blush. Okay, so the first one is... I love the Ultra Sun, okay, which is 30 SPF. This is gorgeous and it's tinted. I'm just going to show you. There you go. It's tinted, okay? So that's really nice. The second one is La Roche-Posay, which is 50. So if it's like absolutely boiling out there, I don't normally go above 30 actually, but on some occasions, when I'm feeling the burn, I might. I am a bit of a sun worshipper, I'm afraid. So again, that one's tinted. It's not as dark. Needs a bit of a shake up actually. It's not as dark as the Ultra Sun, but it's that's a nice one. In fact, I'm not sure if they come in different colours. I don't think they do. I think they all come in one colour. Okay, so that's a lighter one. Better for fairer skins, really. And then let me just wipe that off. Then another one that I use, which Janet Street Porter introduced me to this one actually, is Sun Sense, okay? Love the size of the bottle. A lot of the tinted moisturisers come in tiny bottles, so you run out really quickly. This one is 50 SPF and it's also a tint. So you can use that all over your body if you want to. And this is really nice as well. There you go. And this one has got a kind of luminosity to it. So once that blends in, you've got that glow as well. So you look pretty good on the beach when you've got that one on. Anyway, they're my top three that I use. So I thought I'd just give that out because this week is really nice, isn't it? It's really beautiful weather. And you can get all these products online still. So, yeah, happy sunbathing.